Hello everyone, welcome to week 7 for BCOM 3113 for spring of 2019. Here's a rundown of what we're doing, right? Number 1, group work assignment 2. We obviously had some growing pains with group work 1, and Austin and I have been a little behind on the grading of those. Apologize for that, but we will have that, should have all that up to date by the end of this week. So if you or your team, had some issues in communication, please remedy that. It's Tuesday. You should have already started this thing. Waiting until the day it's due will actually negatively affect everyone's grade if the entire team does that. I had a bunch of teams ended up having that problem. Because the idea is to collaborate. It's not a lot of work, I set these things up so it's enough work for one person to handle easily on their own, but that's not the point of the assignment, right? The point of the assignment is to practice collaborating virtually, which is the future. It really is. All the research that's out there right now and the path. The last numbers I saw is that by the year 2030, almost a majority, close to 50% of the workforce in the United States will be working remotely. So if you've never worked remotely, you'll have to get used to that because that's part of it. Okay, so anyway, make sure that you do group work number 2, right? It is due this week and you get started on it ASAP. Read chapter 10. This starts our persuasive communication chapter, which I'm a big fan of. It's kind of my area of interest and research. And then we also have a test. And just like the other tests, it's open book, open note. Take your time, make sure, there's no excuse for not getting an A on an open book, open note, no time limit test, right? You only get one shot at it. You can't close it and come back to it and all that. But anyway, that's what we've got going this week for BCOM. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns, please email me, especially about the group work. Email me on my OK State account. All right, have a great week and get to work.